Here's a complete guide to the DJI Avata 360, what it is, expected specs, price estimates, how it compares to regular DJI Avata drones, and what you should know before buying. What is the DJI Avata 360? The DJI Avata 360 is the rumored next-generation immersive FPV drone from DJI that combines traditional FPV first-person view, drone flight, 360-degree spherical video capture, meaning you can shoot immersive footage in all directions and decide framing later. This is not yet officially confirmed by DJI as of early 2026, but multiple leaks, FCC filings, and industry reports signal DJI is preparing a true 360-degree capture FPV drone designed for aerial VR and cinematic use. Key rumored specs expected: camera and imaging, true 360-degree video capture, spherical output, up to 8K resolution, 120 megapixel panoramic stills, dual 1.1-inch sensors for better low light and dynamic range, 10-bit D-Log M color profile for professional color grading. Flight and control, hybrid modes, 360-degree spherical and traditional FPV. Likely OcuSync 4.0's O4 Plus transmission for long-range, low-latency video. Obstacle avoidance sensors, omnidirectional, rumored. Flight time. Leaks suggest around 28 to 31 minutes of flight time. Build lightweight but robust with removable prop guards and protective 360-degree cage. These details are still leaks insider info. Final specs may vary when if DJI officially launches it. Price expectations. No official retail pricing yet, but here's what credible leaks point to. Scoob estimated price US drone only, $425 to $500. Low tier leak. Drone plus RC2 controller, $570 and $680 estimated. Fly more / full kits, extra batteries, goggles, motion control. Tosh $800 to $1,400 plus depending on bundle. Open quote. Note, when some community insiders suggest higher premium pricing, $1,200 to $1,900 plus depending on combo and region. Real retail pricing may shift at launch. Close quote. Shack release status. Still not officially confirmed with a firm date by DJI. Many insiders expect launch in early 2026 Q1. # what you'd likely need, options. Depending on how DJI markets it, typical configurations might include drone only, body plus battery, standard combo, drone plus controller, fly more combo, extra batteries, charger, accessories, creator kit, goggles for 360-degree, motion controller, editing tools, ND filter sets, extra props, charging hubs, optional how it compares to the standard DJI Avata. Even though the standard DJI Avata is still an awesome FPV drone, the Avata 360 adds full spherical 360-degree capture versus flat ultra-wide, higher nominal resolution 8K for 4K, dual sensors for panoramic imagery, flexible creative capture workflows. But Avata 360 might also be heavier and more complex, possibly pricier than regular Avata drones, dependent on good software for stitching editing. Things you should know before buying software matters. DJI needs good tools to edit 360 video easily. Current DJI software isn't as advanced as Insta360's suite. This will matter for creators. Immersive footage requires goggles. Shooting and previewing 360-degree footage is best with VR FPV goggles. Flight skills. If you want the full FPV experience, fast, agile maneuvers, some experience helps. Regulations. 360 drones may still be subject to the same registration / license requirements in your country.